Hello to a bright new morning. What a morning. Hello. Here we go. All right, time to turn in our dinosaur hunt.
Hey, good job. Got them all.
All right, we got our prizes. We're taking off from the Glacier Gorge trailhead. Here we go. Cool views already from the bottom of the trail. Here we go. Feels weird hiking through the snow with a t-shirt on, but that's all that's needed this morning. Some type of bear or animal. There's another one right up there too. So you know that it's not dog tracks because no dogs are allowed in Rocky Mountain National Park. You can hear the stream gurgling down there as we hike along the ridge up here. Beautiful little stream here by a beautiful lady. Little man is slogging through today. Everybody's struggling a bit. Meandering through an evergreen forest in the snow. Gorgeous. We've got a Stellar's jay that is leading our path. He's up in those branches. There he is. Wow. Our jay is still leading us to this beautiful spot for lunch. With some food, talking basketball, beautiful views, the struggles turned around. And our jay is still leading us. Off we go again.
And that's why superstars struggle.
Onto the lock. Down into a gorge. Kind of feels like we're Everesting right now. Look at these waves of snow. Super cool. Awesome. Welcome to the lock. Yes. Go, Hosey, go. Here comes Mama. Nice job, Abel. So epic. What a hike. All right, I sunk in because I got off the trail. That was pretty good.
because the snow is like, you slide.
This trail feels like when we used to be kids and we would go off into the trees when we were skiing. That's how this feels coming down through this canyon area here. So we just realized that we were probably just hiking down a stream there from the top. That's probably what it was. But it's all frozen open. It snowed up there. So it's fun to hike through. All right. Got a little lost, but now on to Mills Lake. Mills Lake, with Long's Peak up in the background. Again, hiking through a creek. We're hiking down and through Glacier Creek. It's really cool. This is the way. Oh yeah. The only bad thing about following the river is that if you posthole and sink down to your knee off the side, your foot is also going into the stream. All right, back to the trailhead. Little man getting tired. He is going to make it. To be fair, we're 6 miles into the hike for the day, all in snow. So that's tiring. Chill chat with Bob. What souvenir are you gonna get when we get down from this mountain? A Junior Ranger pencil. What will you write with your pencil?
I don't know, stuff at school probably.
Nothing cool like mysteries in the national park or anything like that, huh?
No, probably not.
It's Bob's and I at the back again, enjoying our nice trail down while the others huff it real fast.
What? Wow. Slow team.
Sorry, we're not the fastest bunch.
Oh, Gideon has joined the slow team. Hey Bob Delishy, how you doing? Uh-oh, are you coming to get me with snow? Ah! Ooh, catch a glimpse of the fast team up there. Woo! Reunited and it feels so good. They're all leaving me, except for my slow team.
Sorry, we're not the fastest bunch.
Almost down. Woo. So J friend got us to the bottom. Loaded up. Nice hike. I feel old and sore after that hike. Okay. Let's do there. Dinner time. Eating up some dinner. Those look like some big subs. That's eating like a man. What is this? got mommy trying to hide her face. Pacers win! Aw, YouTube brings everybody together. Now it's time to go to sleep and get ready for a long drive tomorrow. Good night!